Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put number 5 go outside. And now we multiply by number 3 on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So we have tan of AS over AS. And this one we have number 1. So tan 3S over 3S. So this one we have number 1 in here. And now we have the final answer. And that is about 3 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.